go, beautiful.
You ready?
Ready to roll, right?
I can handle it. You got it, man.
I don't need this at all, but like, I had to have it. You know?
Lovely,
like,
yeah.
oh, you guys, because I really appreciate it.
Get out of control, you panic, things steamroll, you look up, and you've lost 15-1 in the national final for King of Juniors. How magical. So, with that being said, we're going to focus. Let's warm up. So, jackets on the ground.
Hello, guys.
Jogging, what you're going to do is you're going to catch the ball, bounce it, and then throw it behind you for the person behind you to catch, bounce, and throw. So, a couple of pro tips. You want to be going nice and easy. Don't stop. Keep going. Oh, stop, everyone. Next, we're going to do 10 jumping jacks. Here's your punishment. Ready, set, 10 jumping jacks, go. Quick, quick. Get the hands up, get the hands up, get the hands up, get the hands up. Get them up, 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 get them up. Go, go, go. And turn it the other way, we're jogging this. Don't mess up rotation. Keep going. No one behind you. We're doing 5. Ready, stand up. Everyone down, touch the floor. Out in a push-up position. Now we're going down. And hold. Are we all in position? Very nice. Very nice. Oh, we can't get your butt in there. We got it. Yeah, there we go. Nice and flat. And push up. Very nice. And I like to push up. Everybody go back down. And back up. Very good. Jump in. And now we're jumping up in there. Very good. And jogging. Keep going. Other way.
Oh, other way?
Other way. Jogging. Bounce, catch, throw. Asking you shall receive. Everybody! Another push-up. Ready. Down. And push-up. And jogging the other direction. 3 more tries. Go. Pressure's on. 3 more.
Солнышко, ты этот переца, ты расписался и как бы это синхронизирует. Я когда уйду, ты сможешь поснимать тоже на телефон, да? Но потом объединить это.
Everyone hopping in biomed now.
Lunges are more common in foil, I think.
5. Oh, nobody said to jump. Go back to 5.
Can't jump
Number 5. And 6. Jump in the air. Very nice. All right.
Arguments with the referee that sometimes you want to have. Spoiler, they don't help. But yeah, so we've spent some time in our training on our sort of mental training aspect of our fencing and come to understand how deeply important this is. And we really wanted to share some of that with maybe a younger generation of fencers and people who are
Time to start finding my legs and get success. And as you noticed, I'm definitely not the biggest, and in FA most of the guys are kind of a lot bigger, stronger, and whatnot. So I was never the fastest, the strongest, or the most talented. But as I got older,
how it's going to impact you. So when's the time that you wanted to give up, but you didn't? You kept going, and why did you keep going?
Challenge of the sport.
And that's exactly it. A lot of people will say, well, I just wanted that victory, right? I wanted that goal. Goal is awesome. We love that end point. But what's more important is that you like getting there, right? If you come to practice every day because you want to be a great fencer, you don't like practicing, and you don't like